Alright, welcome to the test video. First time with the GoPro 12 and the new microphone setup to see how it sounds. See what kind of noise we get when we ride. Hopefully it's going to be a lot better than the previous setup that I had. So, get a little chance to ride around here on the Hunter 350. I absolutely love this bike. It's a great commuter bike and just great to bop around town on. And honestly, it would be a great bike to hit the back roads on as well. It's not going to burn it up speed wise, but that's not what it's meant to be. It's supposed to get up to 60 today, but it is pretty chilly right at the moment. Again, this is just a test to test out the microphone and to see how the GoPro 12 works. This is my first time using the GoPro 12, so just kind of seeing what it's like here. We'll pull back in here and see what we're doing here. Now, one problem I have is my mirror got knocked down here somehow because I cannot see anything out of it. There, that's better. Yeah, I couldn't see a thing out of that mirror, so let's run around one more time, just kind of get a feel, see how it looks. Alright. This thing makes some really good noise out of the pipe. It's got that little thumper sound. Very pleasing, very cool sound for a small bore motorcycle. And then we'll do this lap around here and go in and see how the video looks. I actually didn't record this through the app, so it's going to be the first time I didn't do that. Actually, you know what? We're going to run up here and we're going to do something a little different. Let's try something here. They want to do a firmware update now, of all times. Let's go not now. Okay, let's record again.